Have you ever wondered how to make your garden a haven for butterflies? A flutter of wings, a splash of color, butterflies can bring such life to a garden, but how do we invite them in? Well, the secret lies in the types of plants you cultivate. Let's dive in. Butterflies are attracted to a variety of plants, so diversity is key. If you're aiming to create a butterfly haven in your garden, consider incorporating plants such as milkweed, coneflowers, and butterfly bush. Milkweed, in particular, is a favorite amongst monarchs. Its bright, clustered flowers offer a sweet, irresistible nectar, and its leaves are a vital food source for their caterpillars. Coneflowers, on the other hand, are a top pick for many butterfly species. Their large, flat blooms make perfect landing pads for butterflies to rest and refuel. And let's not forget the butterfly bush. True to its name, this plant is a butterfly magnet. Its long, arching sprays of small, fragrant flowers are a feast for a multitude of fluttering beauties. By providing a diverse selection of plants, you can attract different butterfly species, each with its unique habits and preferences. So go ahead and experiment with your plant choices. Remember, the more diverse your plant selection, the more types of butterflies you will attract. But attracting butterflies is just half the story. You also need to provide nourishment. Butterflies thrive on nectar-rich plants, which serve as their primary food source. They're particularly fond of vibrant blooms like zinnias, marigolds, and sunflowers. These plants not only add beauty to your garden, but also provide the essential nutrients butterflies need for survival. So remember to include a variety of these nectar powerhouses in your garden. With the right selection of nectar-rich plants, your garden can become a butterfly paradise. So, are you ready to turn your garden into a butterfly haven? Remember, planting nectar-rich flowers and providing a safe environment can attract and nourish these beautiful creatures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!